Hey everybody, it's Will, Marina's husband. We did a big grocery haul this week, considering I'm on vacation from work. And I'd just like to show you what we got. She had a bright idea to make me do this, so yay. We got 2 weeks of groceries, and let me show you what we... Okay, so here's our menu for the first week. We got Friday, lemon chicken. Saturday, enchiladas. Sunday, chicken parm. Monday, leftovers, obviously. Tuesday, lasagna. And Wednesday, buffalo chicken, my favorite. I make it. And then the next week, I'm pretty sure these aren't in order. She's laughing at me. Thursday, ground beef. Quesadillas. Great handwriting on that, by the way. Carne asada for Friday. Saturday, creamy pork chops. You're an asshole.
I can't do that.
Saturday, creamy pork chops. Sunday, chili and cornbread. And, sorry, Monday, spaghetti and meatballs. And another day, spaghetti. We also have chicken tacos, spinach chicken, and Alfredo. So that's it for the 2 weeks. Then I just like to go through things because I think that's how she does it. I got my craft beer and cranberry juice, lemons and oranges, spinach. And this is what I use for the buffalo chicken. I put it in the crock pot. It's really easy. Breadcrumbs. A few pineapples. Cranberries, of course. Enchilada sauce for the enchiladas.
Raspberries?
Are they? No, they're cranberries. Oh, they are, right? I'm sorry. Raspberries. A whole bunch of different beans for the chilies. Chili beans, my father's recipe. A few sauces. I don't think I need to go through all of them, do I? Cornbread, of course. A little bit of beef jerky. Emma's favorite waffles. We got some orange juice and her Cheez-Its. A few bread slices. Over here, we got water, bags, and parchment paper. Alright, and over here's more of the meats that we got. We got hamburger meat. A whole lot of hamburger meat this week. We're going to be eating heavy. Pork chops. Why do I keep saying plain steak, a few salsas, some more breadcrumbs, apple juice, and taquitos, which I actually think these look amazing. But anyways, I'm being weird. So, yeah.
And eggs.
And don't forget the eggs. And I also got some birthday cake because me and Emma this week are going to be making Mommy a special birthday cake for her special birthday. And here we go, some strawberry frosting. She also picked all this out, so. Alright, look, ready? Hi guys, hope you liked the video.
Hope you liked the video.
Hit that subscribe button.
Hit that subscribe
And give us a like. See you next time.
Give us a like. See you next time. Bye.